It has finally happened. After years of fashion blogging, creating content, being a social media model for brands, or an influencer, or whatever you want to call it, I have officially maxed out my belt space. Check this out. For the longest time, I had just been hanging belts on these racks I have in my closet, capped it out at about 2 each, and I've had to start hanging them on my mirror. And now if I buy any more belts, I'm literally not gonna have any place to put them, and this honestly is already a mess. Like, if you look closely, I've actually sort of stacked 3 of them here together, looping one belt over the other. So like every time I have to draw one out, I have to keep shuffling through my belts, and sometimes the belts fall down and I have to pick them back up, and this is crazy. So to solve this and also future-proof my closet for a while, I picked up this belt hanger that I found on Amazon that can supposedly hold up to 42 belts on a single hanger. This is the first time I've ever seen or tried something like this, but honestly the design is looking pretty promising. Like, this piece can swivel 360 degrees, and each hanger is an individual hook that can pivot inwards and outwards very easily. There's a total of 14 hooks, so with 3 belts maximum per hook, that gives you a total of 42 belts that you can hang on this hanger. Hopefully it's going to take me a while to fill up this whole rack. So again, here's what my space looks like right now. Let's see if I can make this look a little bit cleaner by combining all of the belts on the single hanger. Guys, check this out. This is looking awesome. My belts are nice and clean and organized and secure with these hooks, and I've effectively freed up these hooks on my wall along with these emergency hooks on the mirror, so I can use them to store even more clothes whenever I buy them. I currently own 8 belts total, so I still have almost all of the back hooks completely empty and can stack multiple on each hook if needed in the future. And now that all of my belts are on this hanger instead of dispersed on different parts of my closet, it just feels a lot less cluttered and more spacious, and I feel more free to move around. And this is also going to be really awesome for when I put together my outfits in the morning, or for when I need to really quickly switch outfits between shoots. So if you're looking for an affordable and effective solution to organize your belts in your closet that does also look really sleek in my opinion, pick up this belt hanger and you're going to be set.